3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this guide, I'll show you how to enable voice chat in Marvel Rivals. First, press the Start or Options button on your controller to access the Settings menu. From here, navigate to the Audio section at the top of the settings. Ensure that your master volume is turned up, as well as the in-game voice volume. Scroll down a little, and you will find the voice chat option. Make sure the voice chat volume is turned up, and also ensure that your mic volume is set to an appropriate level. The key here is to turn on voice chat to enable communication with other players. Once these settings are adjusted, go back into the game, and you should see your name and a microphone symbol in the top left corner, indicating that your mic is active. If you don't see this, double-check that your headset mic isn't muted. You can also check the specific settings for your console. As an additional step, press the Start or Options button again and go to Match on the left side to verify that your microphone is working within the game. If you ever want to mute yourself, you can simply press X to toggle the mute option.